Hello YouTube, it's me again, Jonah. So we were driving on Lowzone Road and my wife says, "You hit something." Then we hear a thump, thump, thump noise coming from the right side of the car. So I stopped the car and guess what? I find a big nail or screw stuck on my tire. So welcome to today's DIY, how to fix a flat tire. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So luckily, our house was only a mile away, so we drove home slowly, hearing that irritating noise. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna take off the wheel. Okay, I gotta find my key for the special wheel lock.
Why is that one different?
So nobody will steal it. Great question for my wife. So I take a crowbar or a 21mm socket to remove all my lug nuts. But before I do that, safety first, wheel chocks so the car does not move. And a little foot power will do the trick. Special, I've got this tool right here. Right, it comes with that. Comes with a Ford. Yes, special key for that special lock nut. So I like to crank it up so the wheel has about an inch and a half clearance from the ground, making it easy to pull off the wheel. Underneath, so I know I can bring out. I can take out the tire. I can finish taking this thing out. Well, here you go. Check it out. That's a big screw head. Now I'll take my pry tool and a needle nose pliers to pull it out. So another way of removing this screw is keep turning it counterclockwise, as if you're unscrewing it. I guess I should have done it that way instead of forcing it. Run. Oh, nail, look at that. Son of a gun.
Oh, shit. There.
Horton's on Lowzone Parkway there.
Yeah, he ran over a hubcap, and I said, "You just ran over a hubcap."
No, I don't know what it was in the hubcap. It was
that doesn't belong on the hubcap.
No,
Well,
it was something. It was like a
of-
piece of. So here I have a deluxe tire plug kit. Always good to have one of these around. I've had this for about 5 years. You can pick it up at any of your local auto store. I've used this twice already. One to plug the flat tire on my van and the other one on my old 94 Probe GT. So the first tool we have is this needle-like insertion tool. Notice that eye of the needle at the end of the tip. And next is the reamer tool or rasp tool. And then you have the sticky rubber strips. This one comes with 5 strips. And the last thing is rubber cement. This is optional and I won't have to use it. So first thing I gotta do, this one here. Take this, put it in the hole. That's right, first thing I do is to take the reamer tool and push it in and out a couple of times and twist it. This will clean the hole and get rid of any loose rubber. Then I take the sticky strips and put it through the eye of the needle tool. Then insert it through the eye exactly halfway through. Then insert it 3/4 of the way and pull it out. Oops, failed the first time. I only put it in halfway. It should go in 3/4 of the way. That's better.
See this area here?
Then I'll take a cutter and cut out that little extra piece. As best flush as you can. Not bad, so far so good. Then turn on the pump to fill it with air. Now let's look at the recommended tire pressure from the manufacturer. 32 psi front and back tires. This is usually located by the door jamb of the car. And I usually fill it up to 35 psi just to give me a little extra gas mileage. Then I'll spray a little soap water to check if there's any leaks. Looking good, no air bubbles. That means no leaks. Alright, time to put the tire back into place. Don't forget, when tightening up all the lug nuts, make sure you tighten opposite sides. That's it, all done. Now time to take it for a test drive. So if you liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.